Hello, it is Moonrealm. In today's video, I will be listing down 5 disturbing and creepy YouTube channels. I've seen many videos like this, so I watched them to make sure I'm not copying them and re-listing the same exact channels. Without further ado, let's get into the channels. Number 5. Roundshire Public Archives is a creepy ARG YouTube channel linked to a town that disappeared into the UK. According to the videos, it's due to rabies, but it seems like more is going on with the government trying to get rid of the town. According to the videos, the town has been erased from history, along with all of the residents. Number 4. Cyber8 is a YouTuber who makes weird and creepy animations. They are poorly animated and leave an eerie vibe after watching them. They all have to do with pop culture icons like Scooby-Doo and Peppa Pig. He's like another YouTuber who stopped uploading, who made the Jimmy Neutron Happy Family Happy Hour video, Seinfeld Spitstain. But Seinfeld Spitstain has stopped uploading, so if you want more weird videos like that, check out Cyber8. Number 3. For this one, I'm not even gonna show you the content they post. I will probably get in trouble from YouTube. It's called They Are Maggots. And it's basically just a bunch of disturbing maggot videos of maggots inside humans. I personally wouldn't go there, but if that's your thing, then whatever. Number 2. 112 Dirtbag is a YouTube channel related to the disappearance of the girl, Mara Murray, who disappeared in 2003. 8 years later, this channel appeared with videos related to the disappearance. There was a video called Happy Anniversary, which was uploaded on the anniversary of her disappearance, and other videos showing off the place where she disappeared. All these videos have been deleted, but you can still find them on YouTube, and this is probably the scariest one, because it's probably real. Number 1. Global Worldwide is a YouTube channel that posts videos of static and weird noises every single hour. None of the video titles are related, and nobody knows who made the channel. I'm pretty sure this is the next WebDriver torso. Google definitely didn't make it, because why would they just make another WebDriver? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. And I heard if you did hit the subscribe button, you will be saved.